Students, in this video we are going to discuss answer key for biology essay 1 question paper year 2021. Let us discuss part A section 1. Define photosynthesis, write its equation. Photosynthesis is nothing but conversion of sunlight, carbon dioxide and water into sugars and oxygen. So 6CO2 plus 6H2O gives to C6H12O6, which is nothing but glucose plus oxygen. Write two slogans on organ donation. Let's share our life with others. Come ahead and take part in saving lives. These two are slogans for organ donation. Write the difference between arteries and veins. Arteries carry blood away from the heart, veins carry blood towards the heart. Arteries carry oxygenated blood, veins carry deoxygenated blood. Arteries have thick walls with muscle tissue, veins have thinner walls and use valves to keep your blood flowing. We'll move on to the fourth question. Why do you add diazine green solution in the experiment of anaerobic respiration? Diazine green solution is added to glucose solution in anaerobic respiration experiment to check presence of oxygen in glucose solution. What would happen if there is no epiglottis in your body? If the epiglottis is absent in the body, then the regulation of food materials to esophagus and air into lungs will get disturbed. Sometimes food enter into the windpipe and then cause choking. Eventually, the lungs cannot work properly, which can lead to death. Sixth question: draw the flow chart of pathway of air from nostrils to alveolus. So this is the flow chart, and please make a note of this flow chart, students. This is very important. Moving on to section 2, seventh question. Almost all the living world depends on plants for their survival. Justified. Among all the living organisms on planet Earth, only plants are capable of producing their own food and deriving energy from it. Hence, they are the producers. Plants can be treated as a wonderful natural machine that converts solar energy into the chemical energy. Eighth question. What questions would you ask to your teacher to know more about blood pressure? So students can ask this question to teacher. What causes blood pressure? What are systolic and diastolic blood pressure? What is normal blood pressure? What is the difference between low blood pressure and high blood pressure? What health problems are associated with high blood pressure? So on. Draw a neat label diagram of internal structure of kidney. So this is a longitudinal section of kidney with parts. Just have a look, students. 11th question. What is malnutrition? Explain two malnutrition deficiency disease. Malnutrition is the absence of two or more nutrients from the food in desired amounts. Malnutrition can occur either because of presence of low calories or proteins. Two most common nutrition deficiency diseases are kwashiorkor. It is caused due to intake of diet that contains either low or no protein. The disease is characterized by poor muscle development, swollen body, swollen stomach, diarrhea, and dry skin. Marasmus. It is caused by the intake of diet containing low amounts of proteins and calories. The disease is characterized by dry skin, lean and weak body, visible ribs, and less developed muscle. 14th muscle. 14th question. Name the different excretory organs in human body and excretory material generated by them. So these are the excretory organs and excretory material generated. Just have a glance of this answer, students. discuss summative assessment 1 physics answer key, and this exam is conducted in December 2021. Let us discuss part A, section 1. What happens if concave mirror is used as a rear view mirror? Concave mirror forms a real and inverted image due to which the objects would appear to be inverted. Balance the following chemical equation. Mg plus O2 gives to MgO. So 2Mg plus O2 gives rise to 2MgO. Magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. Third question, the information of the image formed by a convex lens is given by the following table and answer the following question. So this is the question. So first question is which object forms virtual image? So object Q forms virtual image because when the magnification is positive, the image will be virtual, erect and enlarged. So name the object which placed at the center of the curvature. So a same size real and inverted image is formed at the center of the curvature. Moving on to the fourth question. Mention the characteristics of the image formed when an object is placed beyond C of a convex lens. So this is the image, students. The position of the image will be formed between F2 and C2. 2F2 and C2 are one and same. So when an object is placed beyond C or C1, beyond C1, the image will be formed between F2 and C2. The two inverted image. Fifth question. Observe the following equation and answer the given question. Ferrous oxide plus aluminum gives to Al2O3 plus iron. What information does the equation give us? So this is a displacement reaction because aluminum has higher reactivity than iron. As aluminum is more reactive than iron, it displaces iron and form aluminum oxide. So this Al2O3 is aluminum oxide. We'll discuss sixth question now. Mention the uses of baking soda. It reduces the acidity in the stomach. It acts as an antacid which used to treat stomach upset and indigestion. Used in the process of washing as a water softener. Due to the formation of soapy foam, it is used as fire extinguishers. Section 2, seventh question. Write all the materials required to show that the hydrogen gas is evolved when metals react with acids or bases. So the following are the materials are required. One is test tube, tube for delivery, trough made of glass, four candles, soap and water, diluted HCl and granules of zinc. We'll see eighth question now. What happens if ciliary muscle do not function properly? The human eye can only see objects at a certain distance. The eye cannot see the objects which is closer or at a great distance. Weakening of ciliary muscle leads to presbyopia. This can be corrected by a bifocal lens. Ninth question. Mention the chemical equation of a reaction between hydrogen and oxygen to yield water and balance it. So H2 plus O2 gives to 2H2O. 10th question. Mention the uses of spherical mirrors. So spherical mirrors used as a rear mirrors in vehicles, reflectors in street lamps, security mirrors in shops, surveillance mirrors at curved roads, optical instruments such as telescopes and cameras, etc. Section 3, 11th question. List out the material required and write the experimental procedure to find the image distance using convex lens when an object is kept in front of it on its principal axis at different locations. So to find the image distance using convex lens when an object is kept in front of it on its principal axis, we need convex lens, measuring scale, optical bench, needle candle. In the following table, nature of some solutions are given, students. So when blue litmus paper is dipped into the above solution, what happens to its color? So we all know that when blue litmus is dipped in acid, it will change its color from blue to red. When blue litmus is dipped in base, it will not change any color. Second one, when red litmus paper is dipped in the above solutions, what happened to its color? When red litmus paper is dipped in acid, no change will be taken place. When red litmus paper is dipped in base, it changes its color from red to blue. Which of the above sample turns methyl orange solution to yellow color? All the bases, these are all the bases: sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. They will change its color to yellow. Which of the following samples turn phenolphthalein indicated to pink color? Again, all the bases will convert, will change into pink color. Radius of curvature of a concave mirror is 30 centimeters. Then draw the ray diagram if the object is placed at 30 centimeters from the mirror and is placed at C. When the object is placed at the center of the curvature here, the object will be formed at the center of the curvature itself. Same. The image will be inverted at the same size of the object. 14th question: 112 grams of propane is combusted. Mention its project, write balanced chemical equation, and calculate the mass of the carbon dioxide involved in the reaction. video, we are going to discuss 2021 Mathematics Essay 1 question paper. Without wasting time, we'll discuss part A, Group A, first question. If P of x is equal to 3x square plus 5x minus 8, then find P of 1 and P of minus 2. So P of x is given as 3x square plus 5x minus 8, take as it is, students, and we have to replace 1 in the place of x. Wherever x is there, you have to replace with 1. So remaining terms we take as it is, 3, 1 square plus 5, 1 minus 8. We know that 1 square is 1, 5 times 1 is 5 minus 8. 3 ones are 3, 5 minus 8 is minus 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. Now we'll replace minus 2 in the place of x. So wherever x is there, we have to replace with minus 2, students. So here x is there, so in the place of x, replace minus 2, 3 into minus 2 square plus 5 into minus 2 minus 8. We know that minus 2 square is plus 4, 3 times 4 is 12, minus 10 minus 8 is minus 18. Plus 12 minus 18 is minus 6. So this is one of the important expected question for upcoming essay 1 students. Second question, write an example for a binomial and a trinomial of degree 8. So binomial means having two terms, trinomial means expression which have three terms. So here 2x to the power of 8 plus 7 is a binomial with a degree 8. Degree means highest power, students. So 3y to the power of 8 plus 4y minus 5 is a trinomial with degree 8. Third question, write the rational number 23 by 100 in decimal form. So 23 by 100 can be written as 0.23. Fourth question, if x square plus y square is equal to 11xy, then prove that 2 log x minus y is equal to 2 log 3 plus log x plus log y. So to prove this one, we have to take the given condition, students. X square plus y square is equal to 11xy, and we have to subtract minus 2xy on the both sides. Now the question comes, why we have to subtract minus 2xy only on both sides? To convert this expression x square plus y square minus 2xy in the form of x minus y, we have to subtract minus 2xy. Remember, students, such type of problems you have to either add 2xy on both sides or subtract minus 2xy on both sides. Now x square plus y square minus 2xy can be written as x minus y whole square, and 11xy minus 2xy can be represented as 9xy. Now we have to take log on both sides. So log a to the power of m can be written as m log a. This is one of the important formula in logarithm, students. And log a b c. So there is one more formula, log a b c, means log a into b into c can be represented as log a plus log b plus log c. As we have taken log on both sides, so log x minus y whole square is equal to log 3 square xy. 9 can be expressed as 3 square. So I am applying the formula 2 log x minus y is equal to log 3 square plus log x plus log y. These two formulas I am applying in this step, student. So 2 log x minus y is equal to, this 2 will be coming to the starting of the logarithm, 2 log 3 plus log x plus log y, which is what we have to prove in this problem. Fifth question, if A is set of first three natural numbers, then write all subset of A. So we know that 1, 2, 3 are first three natural numbers, and the subset of 1, 2, 3 are 5, set 1, set 2, set 3, set 1, 2, set 2, 3, set 1, 3, and set 1, 2, 3. These are all the subset of 1, 2, 3. Sixth question, for what values of p the pair of equations 3x plus 4y is equal to 5 and 6x plus py is equal to 8 have no solution? Student, if a pair of linear equation has no solution, then the lines are parallel. And we know the condition for parallel lines, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. It is not equal to c1 by c2, where a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 are the quotients of first equation and second equation. So I am replacing the a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2 in the condition only for the first two, because a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. In this problem we are going to find p. a1 by a2 is 3 by 6, When when two rational numbers are equated, we have to do cross multiplication. 3 into p is equal to 3p. 6 times 4 is 24. 3p is equal to 24. P is equal to 24 by 3, which is 8 students. Now we will move to the group B. Write the formula to find mode and explain each term in it. So mode formula is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Sometimes they may ask mean, sometimes they may ask median also, students. So all the terms you have to be familiar. Eighth question. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC, AD is 6, DB is 9, AD is 6, DB is 9, AE is 9, and we have to find EC. To find EC, we have to use basic proportionality theorem, which is AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, students. AD is given as 6, DB is given as 9. 6 by 9 is equal to 9 by x. As I told, when two fractions are equated, you have to do cross multiplication. 6 into x is equal to 9 into 9, which is 81. 6x is equal to 81. X will be 81 by 6, which is 13.5, students. Ninth question. If mode of 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 2 is tan theta, then find the value of theta. So we have to find the angle. Theta means here angle. So we all know that mode is the most number of repeated observation. Here 1 is repeated many times. So mode will be 1. So which is also given as tan theta. So tan theta should be equated as 1 because the mode of this observation is given as 1. So tan theta is 1. Obviously theta is 45 degrees. 10th question. Akila says all rectangles are similar. Do you agree with her? No. Because two triangles are not similar because their corresponding sides are not proportional. Find the median of 13, 16, 11, 17, 19, 18. Median means first you have to arrange the numbers or observations in ascending order, students. So I have arranged the numbers in ascending orders. The middlemost numbers are now median. Here two numbers are middle numbers, that is 16 and 17. So median will be either 16 and 17 or 16.5, the average of 16 and 17. 12th question. Shadow of a tower is equal to its length. Then find the angle of elevation of sun rays with the earth at that time. So shadow and the height of the tower are equal. For example, this is the height of the tower and shadow, both are equal. So if both are equal, obviously this angle will be 45 degrees, students. Section 2, 13th question. Draw Venn diagram for the sets A union B and A intersection B. So this is A union B, the elements which contains A as well as B. A intersection B is the only the common area where the elements of A and B belongs to. This is A intersection B, students. Moving on to the 14th question. Write 5 log 2 plus 2 log 3 as single logarithm. So here we have two terms, two logarithms, we have to convert into single logarithm. So 5 log 2 can be expressed as 5 log 2 power of 5 and 2 log 3 can be expressed as log 3 square. We know the formula log a to the power of m is equal to m log a and vice versa. M log a can be expressed as log a power of m. So 2 power of 5 is 32, 3 power of 2 is 9. So we also know the formula log AB can be expressed as log A plus log B, or log A plus log B can be expressed as log A into B. So log 32 plus log 9 can be represented as log 32 into 9, which is log 288. 15th question. Write the quadratic polynomial if its zeros are smallest prime number and smallest composite number. Students, smallest prime number is 2 and smallest or least composite number is 4. We know the quadratic polynomial formula x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. Or we can also write as x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta, where alpha and beta are two zeros. Here sum of zero, sum means addition, so two zeros are 2 and 4, so we have to add 2 plus 4, and product of zeros means, product means multiplication, we have to multiply 2 times 4. So x square 2 plus 4 is 6x plus 8. So quadratic polynomial is x square minus 6x plus 16th question, solve the linear equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 3 and x minus y is equal to 4 by substitution method. We'll take second equation, students. X minus y is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 plus y. Now we'll substitute this x in 2x plus 3y is equal to 3. As we are substituting x value in one of the equation, this method is called substitution method. So 2 into 4 plus y plus 3y as it is equal to 3. 2 fours are 8. 2 into y is 2y plus 3y is equal to 3. 2y plus 3y is 5y plus 8 goes to other side will become minus 8. So 3 minus 8 is minus 5. 5y is equal to minus 5, y is equal to minus 1. Now we will substitute this y value minus 1 in any one of the equation. I am replacing in the first equation x is equal to 4 plus y, x is equal to 4 minus y, because 4 minus 1 y value is minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3. 17th question, express cos theta and tan theta in terms of sin theta. Cos A can be expressed as root over 1 minus sin square A and tan A can be expressed as sin A by root over 1 minus sin square A. 18th question, if sin A plus B is equal to root 3 by 2 and tan A is equal to 1, find the angles A and B. So this is one of the important expected question for upcoming essay 1 students. Know the procedure. Sin A plus B is root 3 by 2 and tan A is 1. If sin A plus B is root 3 by 2, A plus B will be 60 degrees, because in sin 60 degrees will be root 3 by 2. So the angle A plus B will be 60 degrees. In tan 45 degrees will be 1, therefore a value will be 45 degrees. We will replace this a in this equation. So 45 plus a is equal, sorry, 45 plus b is equal to 60, b is equal to 60 minus 45, which is 15. 8. 22nd question, draw the graph of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus 3 and find the zeros from the graph. So to draw the graph parabola, we have to take the points, friends. So the points will be minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Always this should be the common points. If you take the value of x as minus 3, y will become 12. I will tell why the value of y will be 12 when you take the x value as 3. Simple, it's when you take the x value of 3, sorry, minus 3, so you have to replace that minus 3 wherever x is there in the given polynomial. So x square minus 3 square minus 2 into minus 3 minus 3. So minus 3 square value is plus 9, minus into minus is plus 2 times 3 is 6 minus 3. 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 minus 3 is 12. So when we take the value of x as minus 3, then value of y will be 12. So minus 3, 12 will be the 1 point. Similarly, when I take x value as minus 2, y will be 5. The procedure will be like this, students. When you take x value as minus 1, y will be 0. When you take x0, y will be minus 3. x1, y minus 4. x2, y minus 3. x3, y0. x4, y5. x5, y12. So after taking the points, we have to plot these points in the graph. Now we have to plot these points in the graph. After plotting the graph, we will get a curve like this, which is nothing but parabola. So this curve is nothing but parabola. The solution or the zeros of the polynomial is nothing but the parabola where it is touching the x-axis are nothing but zeros of the given polynomial. So it is touching the x-axis at minus 1 comma 0 and also 3 comma 0. So minus 1 and 3 are zeros of the given polynomial. 23rd question, if A is equal to 13579, B is equal to 2357, find A union B minus A intersection B and A minus B union B minus A. So one question from sets is definite for board exam students. So A is given as 13579, B 2357. So first we have to find A union B. A union B means the elements which are in A and B together we will write as A union B. Here 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 elements should not be repeated, students, make a note of it. And A intersection B is nothing but the elements which are common in both the sets A and B. Here the common elements are 3, 5 and 7. So 357 is nothing but A intersection B. Now we will find A union B minus A intersection B. 129 is nothing but A union B minus A intersection B, students. So now we will do A minus B union B minus A. First we will do A minus B and then B minus A. The both answer we will do union. So A minus B is nothing but 1 comma 9, B minus A is 2, A minus B union B minus A is 1 9 union 2 is nothing but 1 2 9. If you observe carefully, the both answers are same, 129 and 129. So we notice that A union B minus A intersection B and A minus B union B minus A are equal. Moving on to 24th question, if 2520 is 2 power of A into 3 power of B into 5 power of C into 7 power of D, then find the value of A plus B plus C plus D. To find that, we have to take the factorization for 2520. So 2520 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5, which can be also expressed as 2 power of 5, 3 power of 1, 5 power of 2. So now we have to compare these powers with the given values. Right side it is there, no? 2 power of A into 3 power of B into 5 power of C into 7 power of D. So we will equate this one with 2 power of 5 into 3 power of 1 into 5 power of 2. So here 2 power of A and 2 power of 5 are similar. So A value will be 5. To find A plus B plus C plus D, so 5 plus 1 plus 3 plus 0, which is nothing but 9. 26th question. In ABCD rhombus, AC and BD are diagonal. Then show that AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square is equal to AC square plus BD square. To solve this problem, we have to use Pythagoras theorem, students. So just go through the procedure. 27th question. If cos theta is equal to 12 by 13, then find the value of 13 sin theta plus 12 tan theta by 10 cosecant theta plus 15 cot theta. Students, to find this, we have to take the given condition cos theta is equal to 12 by 13 and write the ratio formula for cos theta, which is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side to theta is 12, hypotenuse is given as 13. Obviously, opposite side will be 5 based on Pythagoras triad. So 13 sin theta, 13, 5 by 13 sin theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse, which is 5 by 13 based on the diagram. 12 tan theta, tan theta is nothing but opposite by adjacent, 5 by 12 based on the picture, divided by 10 cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is nothing but hypotenuse by opposite, which is nothing but 13 by 5. Hypotenuse is 13, opposite is 5, plus 15 adjacent by opposite is nothing but cot theta formula, 12 by 5 based on the picture. So 13 13 cancel, 12 12 cancel, 5 ones are 5 twos are 3 ones are 3 fives are. After cancellation we get 5 plus 5 is 10, 26 plus 36 is 62. Moving on to the 28th question. 28th question is a question from statistics, students. This is one of the important question in board exam. Sometimes they may ask mean, sometimes median and mode. In this particular exam, mean is asked. Formula to find mean is A plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into H, which is a formula for step deviation method. So to find the mean using step deviation method, we require 5 boxes. These 2 boxes will be given in the question. Xi, which is mid values of the class interval, that 300 to 400, ui, Fi ui. So this one will be the mean class because it's the middlemost observation, and xi are nothing but the mid values ui 0 minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 because xi minus a by h. Fi ui is a multiplication of f and ui observation. Plus into minus is minus, 14 times 2 is 28, plus into minus is minus, 18 times 1 is 18, 23 times 0 is 0, 15 times 1 is 15, 10 times 2 is 20. So Fi ui is minus 11, sigma Fi is 80, A is 550 and H is the difference between 500 to 600 is 100. So applying these values in the formula A plus sigma Fi ui minus 11 by 80 into 100 will get mean value as 536.25.